When you say that you're bored, you don't mean to say that you don't know what to do. You do know what to do, you just find what you're currently doing as boring. So when you say that you're bored, you're just giving people a heads up that you're going to do something else. When you're bored, you don't seek to bore yourself even further by doing acts that are basically doing nothing. Scrolling does nothing to alleviate your boredom. Your dopamine isn't rushing when you scroll. No, what really gets you going is curiosity, wonder, desire, discipline. All great interdisciplinary things, might I add. You enjoy them all, do them all, love them all. You read when bored, you watch when bored, you learn when bored. You work when bored, you invent when bored, you practice when bored. You think when bored, you philosophize when bored. You discover when bored, you create when bored, you paint when bored. You write when bored, you act when bored, you research when bored. You edit when bored, you review when bored, you focus when bored. You revise when bored, you sew when bored, you knit when bored. You draw when bored, you sing when bored, you exercise when bored. You process when bored, you conceptualize when bored. You explore when bored, you play when bored, you pray when bored. You make when bored, you dream when bored, you clean when bored. You reverse engineer when bored. You cook when bored, you bail when bored, you assess when bored, you meditate when bored, you theorize when bored, you code when bored, you question when bored, you plan when bored, you experiment when bored, you memorize when bored, you solve when bored, you fix when bored, you do when bored, and you're responsible when bored. All these things, you do when bored, and then you're bored no more. After all, these are the true cures to boredom, doing things.